Assalamualaikum friends, this is HUZAIFA TARIQ and you are watching Blackstone Tutorials. In this tutorial I will teach you how to make a calendar of May and June in easy steps and in Adobe Illustrator. I don't want to waste your time, so let's begin.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna try,
for watching. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video, and follow us on Facebook for more informative videos about graphic designing, and follow us on Insta. Thanks for watching.